How to use Fundera review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Fundera is an online marketplace designed to help small business owners compare financing options. But many beginners make mistakes that can cost them time, money, or even opportunities. Here's how to use Fundera properly. The first mistake is not understanding your financing needs. Fundera offers loans, lines of credit, and credit cards, but beginners often jump in without defining the exact amount or type of funding required. Take time to assess your cash flow, expenses, and growth goals before applying. Second mistake, ignoring eligibility requirements. Each lender has its own criteria for credit score, revenue, and time in business. Applying for unsuitable loans can lead to rejections that impact your credit score. Check requirements carefully to save time and protect your credit. Third mistake, overlooking the fine print. Interest rates, fees, and repayment terms vary widely. Beginners sometimes focus only on the loan amount and approval speed. Always read the terms in detail to avoid unexpected costs. Fourth mistake, not comparing multiple offers. Fundera's strength lies in its marketplace approach. Don't settle for the first offer. Compare rates, repayment schedules, and lender reviews to find the best fit for your business. Finally, some users fail to use Fundera as a learning tool. The platform provides guides, calculators, and expert advice. Ignoring these resources means missing insights that could improve your financing decisions. Using Fundera properly means defining your funding needs, checking eligibility, understanding terms, comparing multiple offers, and leveraging educational resources. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll secure the right financing while saving time and money.